Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Very Inspired channel. So today what we're going to learn is we are going to learn how we can merge two layers into one. So how we blend two layers in Photoshop. So this is going to be a quick small tutorial, so I'm not going to take too much of your time. So what we're going to do first is I've already looked for two similar images just for easier for it's just so it's easier for me to explain. So we're going to do, you can see the beach here, beach photo, and we're going to put this guy into this, blend this guy into this to bring a bit more life into this picture. Okay, so you can go a bit more in detail, etc. But just for explanation purpose, we're going to keep it very simple. So we're going to open the Photoshop file, and then we're going to open a new file once again. And then let's put internet 210 by 210. I'll keep it a square picture. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we are going to drag the first picture. And so we drag both. If you want to drag both of them, and just click Shift and just drag both of them. And now two of the images are going to be coming into the Photoshop. Okay, now so what we're going to do first is we are going to put our first pick in place. Something like this. And then what we're going to do is open our second page chart, and then we are going to put something like this. Okay, so what we're going to try and do, you can see the sea line here and the skylines there. So what we're going to do, we're going to try and blend this sea line here, sea skyline here. So in order to do that, what we're going to do, we're going to put opacity a little bit down so we know exactly where it is. So something around this. Yeah, around this, it should be okay. So something like this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to blend this bottom section into the to the sky. Okay. So anyway, I'm just gonna keep a duplicate here just in case if we need to re-edit it again. So what we're going to do is I'll get a razor tool. Okay, first we have to rasterize the layer. So to do that, rasterize both of these layers. Okay, we'll go to here and get our razor tool. And once again, if you want to make your razor big or small, you just click on Control Alt and your right click on the mouse and drag it left or right, however big you want it. Okay. So we're going to do here, we're just going to blend this C section here. So we want the sand area. So just going to do something like this. A little bit more bigger would be nice. The wrong one. If you do that, if you want to undo, just click on Control Z, or there's a history panel here which you can scroll back. Okay, so okay. Now if you do this, okay. So we just gonna clean this up a little bit more. Let's make our brush a little bit smaller. Eraser tool. Clean up this short area. Okay, perfect. And what we're going to do here is make this picture a little bit more lighter. So you can see this is a bit dull, but we want the sand area, so and we want the sky. So if I put the sky back on, you can see this. This does look like one picture, but we're gonna make this a little bit more. So if you want to edit the picture, what we're going to do is we are going to go to adjustments and we're going to go to levels, and let's see what we can do here. Yeah, that looks nice. We're going to put some vibrance in. Okay, now we get the top. The top has already got a good vibrance. We're just gonna touch it up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to do here. Yeah, and I'm gonna crop it. If I crop it, just crop the video down, something like this. And voila, you've got perfect beach blended into a nice sky. So this is how you blend two pictures into one. Okay, so you can see it was like this. It does look a bit nice, but if you want to add any other pictures like this, you can. This is the blend with it, which looks, which if a person who sees it first time, it looks like that. This is original picture. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this.